Welcome to the Virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. In today's video, we will talk about Lesson 4, Structure and Clauses of ISO 9001-2015. In this video, you will learn Structure and Clauses of ISO 9001-2015. Annex SL, the structure. Clause Overview, Clauses 4 to 10. Real-world examples. In this session, we'll focus on the structure and clauses of ISO 9001-2015. You'll learn three key things. 1. The high-level structure known as Annex SL. 2. The purpose and content of clauses 4 to 10. 3. And most importantly, how each of these clauses connects directly to daily operations in a garment factory. Let's get started. ISO 9001-2015 is based on a structure called Annex SL. This structure is now common across all ISO management standards, including ISO 14001 for the environment and ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety. This makes it easier for factories to integrate multiple management systems under one unified approach. Now let's go through clauses 4 to 10. Clause 4. Context of the organization. This clause is about understanding both internal and external issues that affect your factory. For example, a garment factory in a politically unstable area must consider risks like transportation delays or dependency on a few buyers. Clause 5. Leadership. Here, the focus is on leadership commitment. It's about defining roles, creating policies, and making quality a priority. Imagine a factory owner actively communicating quality objectives to all departments. That's strong leadership under Clause 5. Clause 6. Planning. Planning means managing risks and setting quality goals. In garments, this could mean identifying risks in needle detection or during the packing process, and planning ways to reduce them. Clause 7. Support. Support covers everything needed to run the system smoothly: resources, training, communication, and documentation. A good example would be training sewing operators on proper thread trimming and keeping proper records for audits. Clause 8. Operation. This is the heart of your production. It includes everything from cutting to finishing, with a strong focus on quality control. An example: inline QC inspections during sewing or final quality checks before shipment. Clause 9. Performance evaluation. Once the system is running, you need to check its performance. This includes internal audits, KPI monitoring, and management reviews. For instance, you might present monthly defect rates at review meetings to guide improvements. Clause 10. Improvement. No system is perfect. This clause focuses on identifying problems and fixing them permanently. If a buyer rejects a shipment due to loose stitches, a CAPA process helps prevent it from happening again. This clause ensures continuous improvement, not just damage control. Let's look at a success story. A factory in Chittagong created a process flowchart and mapped each ISO clause to it. The result? They passed a third-party audit with 0 non-conformities. This shows how understanding the clauses and applying them practically can bring big rewards. Now it's your turn. Activity: choose one clause, for example, Clause 7 or 8, and write down how your department currently applies it, or how it should apply it. Homework: create a table that summarizes clauses 4 to 10, with one example each from your garment's operation. This will help connect ISO theory with your real work practices. Thank you so much for joining this training session. We hope it helped you understand the ISO structure and how to apply it in your factory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next lessons. We'll see you in Lesson 5, Internal versus External Auditing Roles.